Remember when summer felt like it lasted forever? But now you blink and it's Christmas again. Birthdays come faster. Years blur together. I remember waiting for my birthday like it was a lifetime away. But last month, my own birthday felt like a blink. Ever wonder why time feels so much faster as we age? Well, today, we're diving deep into the psychology of time perception, and more importantly, how you can slow it down. Our brains don't measure time with clocks. They measure it with memory. When you're a child, everything is new. First bike ride, first school trip, first heartbreak. Your brain stores those vivid moments like bookmarks, stretching time in your memory. Each moment is soaked in novelty, and the brain loves novelty. New experiences create rich, detailed memories, and it's those dense memories that make childhood feel so full, so long. When you look back, that one summer vacation felt like a year because your brain recorded every tiny detail. It's like a photo album packed with vivid snapshots. But as adults, that album starts to look empty. As we age, we fall into routines, wake up, work, eat, scroll, sleep, and repeat. Our brains are efficiency machines. They stop recording what they already know. So when you follow the same routine every day, your brain doesn't bother saving the details. That's why time feels like it slips by. You're living it, but your brain isn't noticing it. You're not forming new memories, so your mental timeline feels compressed. Fewer fresh memories means fewer bookmarks, so time feels like it's flying by. Let's talk math for a second, just the cool kind. There's something called proportional time theory. To a 5-year-old, 1 year is 20% of their life. That's huge. It's like waiting forever. But at 30, 1 year is just over 3%. And by 60, it's less than 2%. Each year becomes a smaller fraction of your total life experience, so it feels shorter even though it's the same 365 days. Then there's the telescoping effect. Ever feel like your college days, or that trip last year, just happened? The brain compresses old memories, pushing them closer to the present. It's like folding time in your mind. You might feel like your last vacation just happened, when in reality it was 2 summers ago. This memory compression shrinks your sense of time even more, making life feel like it's moving faster than it actually is. All right, so how do we fight back? Can we actually slow time down? Not physically, of course, but we can change how we experience it. Here are 3 powerful techniques to make your days feel longer and richer. 1. Seek novelty. Take a new route to work. Learn something you've never tried. Cook a dish you can't even pronounce. New experiences equals new memories equals more perceived time. 2. Be mindful, even for a few minutes. Take short, mindful pauses every day. Stop and really notice your surroundings. No scrolling, no noise, just observe. It sharpens your awareness and makes moments feel deeper. 3. Record your days. You don't need to write a full journal. Just note one thing that stood out, one emotion, one conversation, one small joy. This builds a stronger mental timeline and helps you hold on to the days that might otherwise slip away. Time isn't speeding up. Our attention is just shrinking. But if you break routine, pay attention, and seek small wonders, you'll feel time slow down again. Not in the world, but in your mind. So, what will you do differently tomorrow? Let me know in the comments, and if this helped shift your perspective, hit like, subscribe, and stick around because we've got more mind-bending videos coming your way. See you in the next one.